Captain Bluebird's Adventure, a short moral story. Captain Bluebird was the bravest bird in the sky. With his shiny blue feathers and sharp eyes, he loved exploring places no other bird dared to go. One day, he heard a legend about the golden feather hidden deep in the whispering woods. Excited, he spread his wings and set off on his greatest adventure. As he soared over mountains and rivers, a strong wind suddenly blew him off course. He tumbled through the air and landed in a dark, unfamiliar forest. Captain Bluebird shook his feathers and looked around. "I must find my way back," he said. As he searched for a way out, he met a wise old owl. "The golden feather is real," the owl said, "but only those who listen and learn can find it." Captain Bluebird was impatient. "I don't have time for riddles," he chirped and flew off. But the deeper he went, the more lost he became. Finally, he remembered the owl's words. He stopped, listened carefully, and noticed the gentle whispers of the wind guiding him toward a glowing tree. There, hidden among the golden leaves, was the golden feather. Captain Bluebird realized that speed and bravery weren't enough. Wisdom and patience were just as important. He thanked the owl and flew home, ready for his next adventure with a wiser heart. Moral: bravery is important, but wisdom and patience lead to true success. Thanks for watching.